Hi little kids, let's enjoy a beautiful story with Boo Boo. Once a boy with his dog named Kitkat was walking around the street. On the way, he found an egg which was on the grass. When he saw closely, he found that the egg has a crack on it. The boy took the egg carefully and carried it back to his house. He safely kept the egg on the couch and waited for it to be hatched. After some time, the egg hatched and a yellow, cute little chick came out from the egg. His dog, which name was Kitkat, started barking happily after looking at the chick. The chick also became happy after watching his new family, and they all started living together happily. So kids, I hope you have enjoyed this story, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video.